everybody, it's me, Leah, and I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how I remove, clean, and install my wigs. So this wig I've had about for 3 months now, and no, I've had it for about four months now, basically for my whole first semester of college, and it has, it's kept up pretty well. So I'm going to show you guys how I do all that stuff. Also, if you've not done so already, make sure you subscribe. Also, hit the like button if you like this type of content. That'll basically just let me know if you like these kind of videos and if I should post them in the future. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is my wig after about a week of wearing it. After about a week or so, it's time for me to take it off and reapply. The glue, honestly, I usually just take it off. It's pretty easy. And it's not gonna hurt my skin. That's the thing. Basically, what's next is to just get the glue off the lace, and I'll show you guys how to do that, and then how I wash it. Then I will go into how I reapply it. So before I go ahead and wash my scalp, y'all, look at how much my hair is growing. It's growing so much, it's crazy. I'm going to take this empty bin and fill it up with lukewarm water and allow my wig to soak in some conditioner. So soaking it in water usually helps for the glue to kind of loosen up. Especially helps in cold water, there's hot water. Either way, it's pretty easy. As long as you have some alcohol or toner, something with alcohol in it to get the glue off. I'm going to let it soak in some Tresemme conditioner. So now I'm gonna wash my hair, and then while I wash my hair, let my wig soak. Then I'll show you guys how I clean it, and then I'll show you how I reapply it. So now that I've washed my hair, gotten all the glue off my hair, soaked my wig, I'm now going to go in with a cleaning towel, throw some toner, basically have some witch hazel right here because I don't have alcohol, and I'm going to basically scrub the glue off the wig. However, since I've soaked it, the glue is pretty much peelable, so whichever spots that aren't peelable, I'm basically just going to go in and scrub with the towel. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I apply my wigs. So the first thing that I use is Ghost Spawn glue, and then back and the edges with foaming lotion, just so that it's laying down flat and it's not getting in the way of me applying the glue. I'm going to use this brush, this tiny makeup brush, and the glue, and basically apply it around the perimeter of my head and making sure that it doesn't get onto my edges. So I'm going to apply one layer and then go into the second. So I've got the first layer done. You can't see it because it's dried, but now I'm going to go in with the second layer. So the second layer is done. Now I'm going to take the wig and then make sure that the lace isn't touching my head just yet. Sure that's also tuned in. And then sure that the end of the lace is where the glue ends as well. And now I'm just gonna make sure that where the lace ends is where the glue starts, basically. Kind of, I don't know if I want to say ends or starts, but basically lining the lace up with the glue. So now I'm just gonna brush the hair back so that when I lay the scarf down, all of the hair lies down with it. And there you have it. I'm gonna do my makeup and let this scarf sit on my head. Basically, and by then the glue should be dried down. I might have to glue this down as well. But I'll be right back. So this is the final look. My edges are slayed and laid. I didn't really want to show you how I style my wigs just because, like, I don't know. But basically I showed you how I applied them, how I clean them, and basically get ready for a new install and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That lets me know if you like what I'm posting, because if not, then I'm just posting random stuff and you're not liking it. So like this video. Basically I'll be able to tell if you like this kind of stuff or not, if I should post stuff like this anytime in the future. Also, I have another video coming out tonight as well at 9 p.m. It is a video on how I lost 15 pounds. 15 pounds. That's a lot. But anyways, I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you like, comment, and especially hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.